Alright, make sure it's recording video. Yep. Alright, we're going to test out a pair of fanner vent chainsaw protective pants against this 661 with a 36-inch bar. I don't think it's going to stop it. I think this is too much saw for these saw pants. But I don't know. Let's find out. I got just a little bit. All right, well, let's see here. Got it pretty good. So taking this apart. The first thing I'm going to do is see how much it got wrapped up in the gear, the chain, and then I'm going to see if it actually made it through to the log underneath. Oh, that's in there. I don't know. It might have stopped it. Looks like we got one more layer. Got into it a little bit, into the log a little bit. Let's see. Not much. This little bit right here. Actually did a much better job than I thought it would. Cool. Yeah, worked great. I bet if you cut near the tip of the bar, it'd be a lot worse. But yeah, let's try a pair of Clogger Chaps next. We'll see how that goes. All right, let's do this again with a pair of Clogger Zero Chaps. We know for sure that they stop a 562, right, Sam?
Mm-hmm.
And now we'll see if they stop a 661. Ooh.
No.
Well, I pulled it to the side. That's concerning. Pulled it to the side and cut right into the leg here. Let's do it down here, see if it works. Yep. All right, let's try it again. Try to hit it more centered on the chaps. It's also concerning. Wear saw pants, I guess? I don't know. Maybe you did the test wrong. Not good either way, huh? Well, shit. Saw pants it is.
Yep. You look really old doing that.
I was trying to get it to go back around. Fuck you, Sam. Damn it, work. So... Fuck you, Sam. Fucking asshole. So when it... It worked, didn't it? When I was trying to... so when it hit it this time, it actually tore the stitching out of this webbing from the other side here, and that's what rolled it around. So yeah, so I'm not sure these chaps are made for a 661. I know there's different class chaps and chainsaws. I'm not familiar with that. These chaps are maybe 2 years old at the most. I mean, as you can see, they're in decent condition besides all the cuts on them now. But Yeah. There you go. All right, Sam.
All right.